They're all ground sprinklers, or I think they're called sprinklers. Fountains, that's what they are, they're fountains. So they don't go very high, but pretty cool. And we got puppers. Poppers are fun. Oh, snappers. I call them puppers. We all call them puppers. Voila.
Cartwheel. Good boy.
Oh, we've done these before.
God, that is bright.
Ooh, pretty. I like that one. It's got pink. Pinkish.
Also has orange. Mikey.
Yeah.
His first firework.
Oh, you just had to title it, didn't you? Oh, no,
look.
it is a Mikey. Raph! Orange and green. You just had to go there, didn't you?
Yes, I did, Mikey.
There better be one for you. I think they're shooting off bottle rockets. Or not bottle rockets, but those other ones that we used to do.
Here we go, George.
Whoa!
Tree's on fire.
No, it's not. Could have been. Okay, maybe we should move that a little further back. Well, no, Mom's car.
Yeah.
No, that's what we'll have to do. The grass is wet. It just rained, so whatever.
Yep.
I'm good where I am. Just the same distance as you.
Hi, Mom.
They're like miniature aerials. Aw, the last one was perfect. It went swoosh, swoosh.
You recording?
Yep. Good. This one is special.
This one is special. You wanna know why?
Because I'm gonna like it, right?
Nope.
Thank you.
Because it's a homage. Oh my God.
Homage is not correct.
You'll see why. I vote dry, Mikey.
Really? You have an obsession with orange. This shows that you are Mikey and not
Like I said.
You're smart. I was not expecting that part. Better back up if you want to keep your face.
Fire home!
Aw, mini fireworks. For the moment.
Fire home. Fire the Trojan Warriors!
Is that what it's called?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
I don't know, Mikey. It's just your day.
Where's the red? It's red, white, and blue day. Why is it yellow, orange, and green? I love when they have some now that
So the one fire plate for it. Boom.
Very funny.
Fire the bulldogs!
Woo! I can't miss the green!
And orange, Mikey.
Ooh, there you are. There's some red. I'm waiting for that. Where's the blue? They
I
don't,
don't know. Leo's not here today.
they don't seem to do a lot of
Technically,
blue
Donnie
fireworks.
was here earlier with the indigo.
True.
Just no VO.
Well, technically indigo is purple and blue, so yes, it would be both.
No, it's actually more on the purple scale than the blue. So
But the blue still exists, otherwise it would just be purple and not indigo.
technically, the purple would override the blue. If there's more of one color, Mikey, it makes it purple or blue. Which one does it favor more?
Purple, but there's still the accents of blue, otherwise it would not be indigo. Hey,
There we go.
Come on, one more.
Thunder! I could not resist.
You're mean! Mean. Mom, isn't he mean?
Need that bucket of water?
So, you sure you don't want me over there, Mikey?
Nice, ice cold rainwater. I'll put it in.
Then she's got to run all the way up here like it's going to blow up in her face.
I like to keep a safe distance.
A safe distance. If you tell me not to run.
Because of your head.
Hey, it's a half pint, just like you.
I'm not to be spicy. It's still on fire.
Yep.
It's still on fire. Is it going to burn the whole thing?
Probably.
Cool. We can just set the next one.
She ain't going back. She's not
This one's called Blazing Rebel.
Rebel or rebel?
Rebel. Actually, it's both.
Whatever. Only if you're free.
And Red Bull. What's the real, Mom? Exactly. That's R-E-E-E.
They sucked up all the water.
You said A-L.
Not for now. There's two more there. Okay.
Alright, the mommy finale.
Ooh.
Ooh, I like that one.
Yeah, we got plastic and everything. Oops.
I really like that one. Ooh, I like this one.
Oh, okay, we should have saved it.
Nah.
You know, there is new.
It's definitely a finale. Holy moly, how much powder did they put in that thing? Is it done?
No.
Yep.
Are you sure? You seem to have a lot of gas. We got barbecued chicken, barbecued hot dogs dressed in gravy, and ranch-style beans with extra crispy bacon on the inside. Delicious. And then we're gonna have dessert too. I'm not eating all that chicken. I'm saving that for tomorrow. But looks delicious.